A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to our e-learning classes conducted by Modern Educational Group. I am Nilambar Karmukar, your SST teacher from Bihar Sharif branch. Today I am going to discuss about civics class 7 lesson 5 Women Change the World. So now start the lesson. Dear students, from the name of this chapter, Women Change the World, we can understand easily what is the main topic of this chapter. The women change the world. How? And what was their efforts to change the world? Actually, we saw in the previous chapter that how women's work in the home continue. They are working in the home, they are doing household work, they are taking care of family members as well as all types of the works are done by them. But our society not recognized such type of the work. So in this chapter we will look at the work outside of the home. How women by giving their efforts getting their education and how they are taking some opportunities to change the world and fight against the stereotypes and discrimination. Dear students, you have to take concentrate that what we are going to study in this chapter. What are the topics that we have to study? First of all, fewer opportunity and rigid expectation. That is the first topic of this chapter. Next, story of Lakshmi Lakra. Third topic, learning for change. Fourth topic, story of Rokeya Sakhawat Hossain. Fifth topic, schooling and education today. Last topics of this chapter is women's movement. So now start to discuss the first topic of this chapter. Fewer opportunities and rigid expectations. It means that the opportunity of the woman is very few and expectations means hopes is very rigid. Rigid means tough. A lot of children in Roshi Madam drew women as nurses and men as army officers. Actually, even the class, the teacher asked to the students that who are the fit for the nurse and army officers. Most of the students will give the answer that a woman fit for the nurses and men fit for the army officer. What is the reason behind it? Because the women are more patient and gentle than the men. This is linked to women's roles within the family. Actually, who did the work of the family, they are very gentle, and such type of the gentle people can do the work as a nurse. Similarly, it is believed that science and requires a technical mind, and girls and women are not capable of dealing with technical things. For army officers and engineers, it is first necessary to take the technical mind. But in the society, cannot recognize that a woman has a mind through which they use the techniques. Many people believe in these stereotypes. What is the meaning of the word stereotypes, dear students? The meaning of the word stereotypes is a thinking on a particular person without any reason or any proof. For these stereotypes, in most families, when girls finished school, they are encouraged by their families to see marriage as their main aim in life. It means the society thinks that the boys are perfect to become doctors and engineers, and girls are perfect to become a housewife. That's why the marriage is their main aim in life. Dear students, the stereotypes are being broken by Lakshmi Lakra. So the part we are going to discuss breaking stereotypes. Lakshmi Lakra, from a poor tribal family in Jharkhand, has begun to change things. She is the first woman engine driver for Northern Railway. By doing this job, she had broken the stereotypes and the thinking on the woman by the society. Dear students, Lakshmi's parents are not literate, but they struggled and overcame many hardships to make sure their children got an education. They did best efforts to give education to their children. She completed the diploma degree in electronics and then took the railway board exam and passed on her first attempt. In this way, Lakshmi had taken challenge against the thinking of the society. So thank you, dear students. I will discuss the next part of this chapter through my next video. Okay? Have a nice day.